Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Friday, October 24th, 2025. The end of the week, guys. Yesterday was a little tough. Finished off the day with 4 trades, 4 losers, 4 trade losing streak yesterday. No wins whatsoever. And today, we're coming in with the proper mindset, guys. We're not looking to make it all back. We're not looking to revenge trade. We're not looking to FOMO into trades. We're not trying to go on tilt. We're here to be patient, disciplined, and execute our setups to the best of our abilities. Why? Because I understand that if I revenge trade, if I go on tilt, if I get angry, then it's most likely those trades are not going to be good trades. They're not going to be successful. We're going to end up losing more money than we're going to end up making. So understanding that, knowing that, we're coming with the proper mindset. Again, not worried about the wins and losses, 100% focused on the process, and we're going to let the results take care of themselves. So let's see what trades we take today. All right, guys, we just got the order filled on that short here. As you guys see here, I'll go ahead and break it down. Change of state delivery occurred here. Looking for longs throughout here. Once this candle created a new high, for my rules, this is now, once price breaks below that, that is a change of state delivery. The gap happened right here where you guys see the red box. Once price taps into it, again, guys, making myself available, making sure I'm patient, disciplined, waiting for my setups, and whatever happens after that, it's not up to me. My risk is managed, $100 per trade, and now we're just going to stick around and see how it all plays out. I'll be back in a little bit, and I'll update you shortly. All right, guys, we just got stopped out of this trade 2 right here. You guys can see news came out again at 7 o'clock, and unfortunately just didn't go in our way. Just shot up pretty strong, bunch of volatility coming out, and took us out here for a full -1R loser. So we're starting off the day again, -1R. Not going to get mad, not going to revenge trade, not going to go on tilt. We're going to wait for the next valid setup, and we're going to make sure we jump on it and make ourselves available. So I'll be back in a bit. All right, guys, just got the order filled right there. All right, pretty self-explanatory. Same exact setup, right? Waited through all this, all that chop. No valid setups throughout that. Being super patient, super disciplined, making sure we're very choosy with our trades that we want to take. So now we are in on this long. Swing pivot right here is a stop loss. Boom. +2R, all or nothing. Take profit. Boom. Don't mess with the trade while I'm in it. Again, guys, we're just going to wait and see, let it all play out and see how it wants to go. Market's very strong, but again, it's all random. Every single trade we take, every single trade we jump into, accept the randomness, accept the risk, and we'll see how it all wants to play out. So I'll be back. All right, guys, just got stopped out on that trade. Pretty quick trade, actually. Just got in. Prices just continue to sell off right through everything, and took me out for full -1R. Again, guys, it is what it is. We continue to take the setups regardless of what our emotion's saying. Again, we're managing our risk. Not much in terms of losses, $100, $200 right now. So we're going to continue to take the setups, and we'll see how it wants to play out after that. So I'll be back. All right, guys, we are in on an NQ long. You guys see here, just a continuation trade. Price came back after the lunch window that you guys see here. Not much in terms of gaps, not much in terms of setups for me until you guys see right here. This is the first change of state delivery with the gap. And as you guys know, we got to make sure we make ourselves available regardless of what we think is going to happen. We're making sure we're available, taking the trade. And stop loss is here, the swing pivot right here. Take profit +2R. Same thing every single time, right? So we're going to see how this one plays out. And I'll update you guys here in a bit.
Stop filled.
Alrighty, guys, and there is another loser right there. Can't get any type of continuation right now. Price is just giving me the setups and coming right off after that. So it is unfortunate. Again, 3 trade losing streak today, but we're going to continue to take our setups, take our trades regardless of how we're feeling. We understand that the losing streaks are all part of it, and we're going to continue to be patient, disciplined, and execute to the best of our abilities. All right, so I'll be back and I'll update you guys with the next setup. Alrighty, guys, we are back in a trade. I forget how long ago, 10:40, I think, probably an hour ago. That's from our last trade. Here you guys have it. Change of state delivery occurred here. Gap again here. Waited for price to pull back into it. Stop loss, swing pivot. Take profit again. +2R, all or nothing. We got to continue to take the same setups, guys. That's the reason why I continue to say manage your risk, because without being able to manage my risk, without having such a tight stop loss, without being able to risk too much, I would have probably already blown the counts. I would have revenge traded. I would have probably got mad, gone on tilt, done all this. But this is why I continue to preach risk management. And this is allowing me to continue to take the setups because I know long term, eventually the wins will start coming. And again, the wins are +2R instead of just being a -1R loss. So we are in it. 1 hour left in the market, left in the day, left in the week. Let's see how it all wants to play out. I'll be back in a bit. All right, guys. And there you have it. Another stop. Just getting... I continue to get into the trades, and unfortunately it just keeps reversing. As you guys see here, price has just been super choppy, not much in terms of direction. Even when it has the moves, it comes back, takes you out, has another move, continues. Again, we were in the long earlier and got stopped out of there. And then price continued a little lower, got taken out of the short now. And again, it is what it is. The counter's still doing okay. We're still in it. 12 o'clock, we still have another hour. If we get another valid setup, we'll make sure to execute. If not, we'll wait. So we'll be back in a bit.
Order filled.
All right, guys, order was filled there. All right, we got stopped out on this candle here. Continuation happened after this one here. Got a gap, price pulled back into it. Stop loss to swing pivot here. The last downtrend candle. Again, take profit plus 2R. We're going to continue to take the same strategy, guys. We don't control the market. It is what it is. If it finally decides to continue, then that's going to be awesome for our strategy. If it decides to continue to chop, then unfortunately, we're going to continue to manage our risk, manage our emotions, and our expectations, and we'll live to fight another day. So we are in the long. We'll see how it all plays out. I'll be back in a bit.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
All right, guys, as you guys see here, stop filled again. 5 trades in a row, all losers, adding up to yesterday's 4 trades in a row, all losers. So we're on a 9-trade losing streak, minus $500 on the day, minus 5R. It is what it is. We're calling it a day here, 12:36. We do not take any trades past 12:30. It is unfortunate results. Price kind of just chopped us up really good today. In the AM session, this is what we got. In the PM session, a little bit more of the same, and nothing really, no continuations, nothing really went for us. It is what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the P&Ls right now. All right, guys, so here we are on the Apex Trade of 8 dashboard. I'm just going to show you guys the P&Ls super quick. Again, 5 trades in a row, 5 losers, minus 500 on a day. You guys see here the drawdown on these accounts. Drawdown still not terrible, guys. $1,100, $1,200 on worth of drawdown. We still have plenty of room to make back the losers from yesterday and today. Hopefully that's what we're going to do next week. So we're not going to revenge trade, not go on tilt. We're going to try to get back on it and continue to grow these accounts. So here you guys see the executions. Again, 0 wins, 5 losers in a row, minus $500. Here you guys see the trades, the durations, pretty quick trades, guys. 3 minutes, 8 minutes, 5 minutes. Wrong, pretty quick, super choppy market, and just unfortunately didn't work out. My funded futures, 5 funded accounts here. You guys see drawdown still $750, $800 kind of. Tradeify, again, these accounts we trade different take profit strategies, so this is why you guys see the discrepancies in all these. Still $600-700 in drawdown. These are the accounts that are doing a little bit rougher. These are the 2,500 or 25K accounts, and you guys see here 500, only 200 left in drawdown. So if we do end up taking 2 more losing days on Monday or next week, we will blow these accounts and unfortunately have to start over again with Take Profit Trader. But it is, again, the risk we take while trading all these accounts. So it is unfortunate, guys. 9 losing trades in a row. That is the most I've ever had while trading this strategy. But again, we continue to take the setups because we know long-term the setups, eventually we're going to start getting the wins. And it is unfortunate, but right now we're just on a losing streak. Again, we managed our risk, manage our emotions, our expectations, and we continue to just take valid setups, right? We're on a 9-trade losing streak, and we're still waiting for our setups. We're still being disciplined. We're still being patient. And it is what it is. Unfortunate, right? As I continue to mention, it is super boring. I'm not going on tilt, not revenge trading. I'm not trying to make all this money back. We're going to have to just slow grind these accounts back to their max profit and hopefully take a payout. November, December is what we're going to be aiming for, right? Not trying to blow these accounts, not trying to rush back, not trying to make all the money back in one trade. We're going to just slowly continue to grow these back to where they were and hopefully get that money back. So tough week, tough end to the week. It is what it is. Next week, we'll be back at it. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Peace.